Hi, Crompo.
And Jess here.
Meguiar's is world famous for car detailing products for fussy people who are proud of what they drive.
The shine you get with these specialised cleaners, polishers, waxes and premium accessories is legendary. For every surface on the car and even around the house, the results are stunning.
Naturally, we trust Meguiar's to look after our pride and joy. So today, we're here to talk about the latest and greatest from this iconic car enthusiast brand. Excellence and innovation has always been at the heart of Meguiar's, but these days it's the astounding ease of use that'll grab your attention first.
You won't believe products this easy to use can have such a high level of performance, and they smell great too, Crompo. So let's take a look at what's new from Meguiar's.
This new Reacher Washmate from Meguiar's will transform your car washing experience, especially if you own an SUV, dual cab or four-wheel drive, or for Jess, anyone that's vertically challenged.
Hey, the arch telescopic handle reaches the unreachable, and the chenille microfiber noodle wash head holds all the suds you'll ever need. See how easily the handle extends to 1.1 metres to reach right across the car, and how unbreakable it feels. The curved extension handle allows for effortless overreach across roof rails and keeps more of the wash pad in full contact with the surface.
Now you can use it in the traditional way, the two-bucket method is best, or better still, lather up your whole car using a Meguiar's car wash and snow cannon to make the job even easier.
One thing I know for sure, nothing makes big wash jobs easy like Reacher. That's another great Meguiar's new product we're sure you'll love.